Oh,
I love you, Kira.
I love you.
Say it again.
I love you, man.
How much do you love me?
So much it is.
So much it hurts?
Yeah?
Okay. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Grandma Roberta.
Hi, Buddha.
And hey, say hi to Grandpa Sammy too.
Hi, Sammy, Grandpa.
And Uncle Kyle. Or is it Uncle Bushes? Say hi, Uncle Bushes.
Hi, Uncle Bushes.
And who's his honey?
Let me say hi, honey.
No, who's Kyle's honey?
Hi, honey.
Do you want to say hi to Tina?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Hi, Tina.
So I miss you guys.
I miss you guys.
True.
Too.
I love you.
I love you.
Kira. Go ahead.
Huh?
Go ahead, say it again.
I miss you, man.
How much?
I miss you.